Good morning, happy Saturday. I'm sorry, it's Saturday. It is October 11th. What we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about yesterday's events. So, um, where this started was right here. So, yesterday, we're just randomly trading, nothing crazy. And then all of a sudden, this came out. So, I guess China has been threatening to impose large scale export controls on virtually every product that China makes, and some not even made by them. This affects all countries, is unheard of in international trade, and a moral disgrace in dealing with other nations. So, um, Trump said, okay, well, he's saying that we'll impose a 100% tariff on China. Um, Obviously, on or starting November 1st, they're going to impose a 100% tariff on China. So, he said it's impossible to believe that China would have taken such action. But anyway, so the result of that, wow, they got a lot of ads here. It was the biggest amount of liquidations in crypto. So, um, COVID crash is 1.2 billion in liquidations. FTX is 1.6. Yesterday, 19 billion in liquidations. It's a lot of money. So, this is what we see um, currently. So, we came all the way down to this beautiful zone on Bitcoin. I was fortunate enough to, I got in at 103 or 104,000 on Bitcoin yesterday, right here. I'm still holding my position. I pulled most of the profits. You can see I'm up 387%, but I've already pulled out like $1,000. I pretty much pulled the whole trade. Okay. I did try Aster again too, but that was a bad late to the party. It wasn't early. It wasn't early like this. It was obviously not looking like a great entry idea. But anyways, we're talking about the Bitcoin trade. So what you see here, we just wicked so fast down here. I mean, that was insane, guys. You know, you gotta think that there's so many people that had no idea, would never think that we were going to break 108. You know what I mean? There's a guy that I guess is pretty popular in crypto. He took his life yesterday behind this. It's sad. It's really sad. It's messed up. I wouldn't ever I don't think anyone should ever go that route, but he got wrecked for like all his money yesterday. This was definitely a crazy event that I don't think many people saw coming. I don't think anyone predicted Bitcoin to go that low. So you can only imagine if, say, you had leveraged positions here and you've been adding to it on the way up, or here, maybe you started here at 108, got more, you're stacking this trade all the way up, and boom, just wipes you clean. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum marked that zone, hit that zone perfect. Wow. Solana. Solana's, I couldn't believe Solana hit like, I believe some places Solana hit 140. Maybe I'm wrong. I could have sworn I saw it. I mean, we got wrecked. We got wrecked yesterday. That's a good 25% in one day. Just tanked. Oh man, are you? Sui went to $2 or 190. 50% on Sui. Holy shit! You gotta be kidding me. Wow. That's crazy. That's nuts, guys. That is freaking crazy. Jesus. That's crazy. Went all the way down to $1.90. Around $2. Well, hopefully we stay on the 786. I'm hoping we bounce off these levels. We can't take any more bleeding. You gotta be kidding. Wait, what? XRP. Hold on. XRP went to 70 cents? What? Oh my goodness. Hold on. $1.50. I'm wondering if just delete that coin. Okay, like $1.70. I was gonna say that's absurd. There's no fucking way. most stocks have it coming on Monday. Obviously, the market's closed. It's gonna hit a lot harder on Monday. So while we're down here, let's just start looking at this. So BTC dominance tapped up here. Now we need to see it break this. Unless the alts, like, I don't know if the alts are going to regain control or if Bitcoin will start leading again and then the alts kick in. So I can tell you, I don't think the bull run's over. I just think we had a major scare. I don't like where Ethereum dominance is sitting right now. It's kind of in a weird spot, to be honest with you. I think, yeah, getting down to this 382 would make more sense on the daily. I don't really like where it's at. Solana could rebound around this, especially from here. This could all be support. It could bounce from there. Jesus, dude. XRP dominance took a major hit. But look at this. So the XRP dominance swept all the way down to 2.48%, right? But look where it's at now and how it's rebounding. We're going to have to wait and see. But as long as we can stay back in these support zones that most of the stuff I have marked on already, we need to stay in those zones. But here's the thing. Look at the stablecoin dollars. We need this to now. We need stablecoins to slow down. Or we need the dominance to come down. You get what I'm saying? We need stablecoin dominance to come down. We've marked this up for so long, and it came almost back to that original entry of where we marked all this up together. We marked this all up way back in, April. We marked all this up together on one of my YouTube videos. We went over this. So, kind of crazy to see it wicked back up to where we were back then for the market cap of USDC. Look at total market cap. Total market cap. Took a deep dive. What's this say? We tapped back at 3.2 trillion. Obviously recovered, but now we need to stay above in here. We need to stay in there. 3.7. I have to admit, guys, I was very, very lucky. Um, if you saw my video yesterday, I shorted Nasdaq. I caught the entire thing, and then we shorted Bitcoin, but my target was nowhere near how far it went. But I got very lucky. I happened to be at my car dealership, and I saw Bitcoin spike down to 104, and I boom, or 101, and I got in at 104, and it was just instantly up, like, you know, godly percent. So as long as total market cap can stay right here in this 3.6 zone, we can bounce from here, you know. The real question is, what is China's reaction? What are they gonna say back to us, right? That's what we need to know, and we don't know yet. You get what I'm saying? So, Jesus, we need to know what is China's reaction to this. Dude, dog with hat went down to 15 fucking cents. Just crazy. Crazy. Okay, so, Aster is doing okay right now. It's actually pumping, boys. I know it's only Saturday. What sucks too is we just got these two bit funded accounts passed. Oh, speaking of that, hold on. It's on. No, okay. It's not this one. Go back to this. It's over. Count. I got a brand new. Okay. I have a new one over here. I'll take Aster on my new one. Let's go for it. Maybe not yet. Hold on, we'll wait a second. But anyways, back to this. Let's go look at the major coins, not meme coins. We know we're Bitcoin. We know this, right? And I took most the profit off the table. I'm right here. And I'm trying to take it to 120. Let's call it that. This is the trade I'm in on Bitcoin. But I just hope this thing pulls back to here, and then I'll add more to it and stack the trade. That's my goal. Is I want this to kind of rebound somewhere in here, to then I take a second entry and stack the trade on the way up. Because I think we're gonna rebound, but then again, we gotta see what China's response is. Like, if they don't make a deal, then what? we're screwed. Maybe. I don't know. Nobody knows. And if you're not worried a little bit, you should be. isn't some great thing to deal with in the middle of a freaking bull run. We should not be dealing with this shit. So that perfectly hit the 786 and bounced. You can't make this up. Look at that. Boom. Perfectly hit the 786. Beautiful tap. I'm a little worried about Shuey, boys. Shuey got smacked. Dude, I wish I would have fucking right here, $1.96. Fuck. Just imagine if you hit a bar right there, guys. I'm definitely buying something. I don't know what yet. Maybe more Shuey. But maybe Hyperliquid. Oh my goodness. Imagine getting Hyperliquid at $20 freaking dollars. I need a chart that shows me not a perpetual. I need a long term. Who else can I get? I guess I don't want perpetual for this. Finance US could be pretty accurate. June? No. That should be. Is it June? Hold on, let's see. December. That seems more. So you see what this did, guys. It came down to here. Okay. Yeah, that's a late chart. Okay. We'll go with this one. I don't know, should we just buy more Bitcoin? Maybe Bitcoin is the best to buy. Oh, let's go see. I want to see what happened with gold. So you see here, we tapped perfectly into the zone. It tapped the 786 from the bottom to the high. Can't make this up. I can't make this up. Perfectly tapped the 786, boys. Aster is trying to bounce right here. So look at this. It's perfect. I mean, you would have made a fat 100% move. Oh, I wish I got Hyperliquid on this bounce. I just was not expecting this. I was literally at my dealership working, trying to make some car deals and whatnot, and just handling a bunch of stuff. And I just happened to look at the computer, and I caught Bitcoin at least. But that it was a risky. I mean, it was dropping so much, you know. That could have been a risky trade, or easily could have been. Dude, Farcoin's at 37 cents. Jesus. Pump.fun. Oh my god. Went to its lows. Pump.fun went to its lows. This could be a good, I mean, Chainlink, $18. It went down to $7, guys. Holy fuck. But then you got Look, I mean, dude, look at this. It taps the 786, bounces to the 618. I mean, can't tell me that's not perfect. It's climbing the ladder back up. Just saying. Matter of fact, let's go to spot. I have some spot to buy. I didn't do it last night. I'm putting some more into spot right now. Boom. $1.30 filled.
You want Jim Road here?
Yeah, he's fine. Also, I got my airdrop. Can't claim till the 14th. Okay. Well, I also am frustrated about AVNT. It went down to the entries. Down to the freaking entries. I mean, I think this coin's gonna make a big comeback. I've been calling that coin since 40 cents, all the way up to $2. Yes, I bought more on the way up. And yes, right now, oh my god. Guys, Caspa went down to its original prices. And bounced 600%. That is insane. That is insane. BNB's bouncing back real easy. Binance doesn't have no problem coming back up. That probably would have been the best buy. $800 Binance. Shit is bouncing right now. But we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. I'm real. Yeah, it's not looking good. Oh my god, you could have got Ave for $80, dude. If you got that. It's just crazy to wrap your mind around. But hey, Hyperliquid could be a crazy good buy. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna stack more of. I'm definitely gonna buy something. I mean, I think like just looking right now, Solana has the best just base, right? Let's look at another chart though. I just want to make sure. I just feel like Solana looks more just kind of steady, sturdy right there. which means, Solana could be the safest bet to stack more. Yes, there's other coins that are going to give you more return, maybe, but Hyperliquid looks great too. Either one, I think, would be good buys. I'm really worried about Caspa, man. I've been a big Caspa believer for a long time. I'm starting to really wonder if it's just losing its ground. But just remember, any of these coins could kind of pull back before they go higher. So that's why I like Solana, because it's just in a better SUI 2 kind of, Ethereum a little bit. But Solana is really in a good spot, I think, compared to a lot of these. It has less of a gap to. But look at how Aster could just hold on to this. Could just hold this zone. Anyways, guys, I gotta get going. I wanted to make a video of just what's going on. We're just gonna have to wait and see. Really curious of how China is gonna respond to the tariffs. I don't know if this is just some planned event to fuck the markets up and then they can buy more and more and more. I don't know. I can tell you this though. Look at this. Check this out. Watch this. Right. Right here. Someone opened a Bitcoin short 30 minutes before Trump's tariff announcement and just closed with $88 million profit. He opened this account today and then he just hit a trade like that and bounced. You can't tell me that's not weird. It's weird. I don't know, but we shall see. Alright guys, I'm gonna get going. Have an amazing day. Thank you for tuning in. Peace out.